I just part exchanged my Indian Chieftain 2018 for this beautiful BMW R1250, and now I'm going to drive home. The first time I've ridden this. This should be interesting. I'm going to sit up here. I'm going to adjust the I'm going to sit up here and I'm going to adjust everything. There it is. Turn it on. So this is the first ride of Ballyho, and off we jolly well go. My initial impression, it's very light and very manoeuvrable for a motorcycle, considering I'm coming off a Indian Chieftain, I suppose. And I have new tyres, so I have to be very careful. This is my first corner. Don't know what gear I'm in. So leading into my first corner, it's well hell of a difference between this and my Indian Chieftain. This is just so easy to corner. There's no weight whatsoever. I know people think this is a very heavy motorcycle, but for me it's light as a feather. Mirrors seem to be okay. I'm in sixth. Get used to this. Oh god, I'm already doing 80 miles an hour. I've been riding for about a mile, but such a difference. Oh, I'm loving this. 6th gear. I'm in the tunnel. I really do like the riding position, to sit up and beg. I have no weight on my lower back, my wrists, my shoulders. My hips feel comfortable, my knees feel comfortable. I mean, I've only been on the bike 20-25 minutes, but it is really comfortable. Lights on. Figuring out the controls, I imagine that'll take me a couple of days, maybe a week. But I have the windscreen about 2/3 of the way up, so the air is hitting me just about the top of my helmet, so I get some cool air inside my helmet. As you can see, I have the visor open. I'm very comfortable. When I put the windscreen all the way up, I am in a definite bubble of calm. So I have to turn the lights on. It just has running lights. So that's something I need to remember. I'm putting a bit much weight on my right wrist. Well, it is flat. My initial impression of the BMW R1250RT. Difference of night and day between the Indian Chieftain, which I have to say I loved, but this is a totally different animal and a totally different beast. Very, very happy with my purchase. I'm going to love riding this motorcycle. It's so much more stable and comfortable. I'm in fourth. Don't know what the time is. They must be after 12.